What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to control your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV using the voice control feature of the TV. Now there are basically two ways to do this. The most recommended is basically to get the Hisense Vidaa application on your mobile phone, and alternatively you can use the Apple AirPlay feature that allows you to control the Smart TV using the voice control of your TV from the Siri application, which is available for iOS devices. So basically, after setting this up, you should be able to control your TV by just clicking on a button like so, maybe long press on it and say open YouTube. Now you can see that my Hisense Smart TV basically opened YouTube with my voice control. Now I can also ask it to go to the home by just using the voice control again. Now what I just have to do is to press on it, go to home, and you can see that it actually listens to my instructions. Now for you to be able to do this on your Hisense TV as well, what you want to do is to make sure that your Smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your mobile phone. So you want to go to the settings of your Smart TV like so, click on settings and then go to connection and then go to network, and then on the network configuration you want to make sure that your Smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi. In my case, my TV is connected to the iPhone 13 Sam over here. Now what you also want to do is to make sure that your mobile phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi. In my case, if you check over here, my smartphone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi. You can basically see the same Wi-Fi over here. So you want to make sure that both the TV and your mobile phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now after doing that, you want to go ahead and download the Vidaa application from the Google Play Store. So you want to go to the Google Play Store like so. You just want to search for Vidaa app like so, and you can basically see that the Vidaa application is installed on my phone already. So you can see it basically from here, and then you just want to open it. And once you open it, the application will automatically connect to your TV because they are already connected to the same Wi-Fi. So you just have to give it permission and it will automatically connect to your TV. Now, once it is connected to your TV, you want to go ahead and press on this microphone icon. Now, after you press on it, it will give you this button. And what you just want to do is to press on it and the TV is going to listen to you. You can basically see the listener over there, so it's basically interpreting everything I am even saying now. So basically by pressing on it, it will take instructions from you and it will go ahead to perform any action you ask it to perform for you. Now mind you, this is actually available to both Android and iOS devices, so you can also download the Vidaa application from your iPhone and use it to control the TV, or you can also download it on your Android phone and use it to control the TV. Another way of controlling your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV using the voice control feature, which is only available to iPhones now, is basically for you to use Siri. This particular option is actually limited because you can only ask Siri to turn on and turn off the TV. So for you to do this, you basically want to go to the settings of your TV. Make sure that your TV and your iOS device, that is your iPhone or your tablet, whatsoever, is both connected to the same Wi-Fi, just as we've done before. And what you want to do is to go to the AirPlay on your TV's connectivity, go to AirPlay, and make sure that the AirPlay feature is actually turned on your TV. So you want to go ahead and turn it on just as it is on my TV over here. You want to go ahead and turn on the AirPlay feature on your TV. And once it is turned on and your iPhone and your TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi, you can basically ask Siri just the same way you use Siri for doing every other thing on your mobile phone. You can basically ask Siri to turn on and turn off the TV. But like I said before, this is actually a very limited one because you can only ask the TV to turn on and turn off, or you can ask the TV to do other things like, opening apps and searching for movies generally on the TV just with the click of a button, as we did in the first option. So the best and the most recommended is basically for you to get the Vidaa app and make sure your TV and your phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead and control your TV, ask it to do anything, and it will automatically do that for you. That will be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.